Guys. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, so this is a little quick message. Okay, so I decided to change Jay and Dylan's house into this. Yeah, you can recognize it. And really sorry that I didn't upload. I only uploaded one episode. It was because I was really busy last week, so hopefully this week I'm not so busy. Another thing you guys probably won't expect. I mean, some of the things in this episode. Oh, I dropped an LPS. Sorry. Some of these things in this episode is a bit fast because I wanted it really fast because I really want to add this character that I ship with another character. Anyway, this is a PG, so actually no. Is it a PG? Yeah, it's a PG, so yeah. So bye. Huh? Oh, you must be Jay Collins, right?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Nice to meet you. My name's Megan, and, do you have any warning advice that I should be worried about?
Yeah. Dylan, you don't need to worry about him or anything about him anyway. He's just stupid. Yeah, his friend Alex, my ex, Alex is a very, serious, cold-hearted guy, and, if he ever takes you down, just say the name Renna, and, he'll froze in fear. I don't know why, but he just doesn't like that name with a particular person, so, yeah.
Okay, I got it. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, let's walk to school. The red collie is, Alex, and, the brown, dachshund is, Winter.
Okay, so the Great Dane is, Dylan, right?
Yeah.
By the way, Jay, be careful about Winter. If she doesn't really fall for you, I'll take her. She is pretty hot, though. She may be my girlfriend instead of yours. Bye.
What the? She'll never be yours.
Hey, Dylan.
Huh?
Dylan, I've been looking for you.
You have?
Yep. So, are these two your friends? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, and who are you?
I'm Megan, silly. Your childhood best friend.
My childhood best friend?
Yeah. Sorry, I moved. You probably don't remember me. Jay told me you were here, so I came to look for you. And here you are questioning me. I can't believe you don't remember me.
Yeah, I don't remember you. But maybe I forgot about you.
Wow, cruel. So, Dylan, would you go off me?
What? We just met and, Yeah, why not? I know we just met again, but why not? I mean, you have a handsome face. Mwah. Mwah. This girl seems very fishy. What do you mean fishy, Alex? I don't know, but just fishy. We should go to English. Yeah. Dylan, we gotta go to English. Mwah. Oh, you have English? Wow, first of all, I need to get my schedule. Hopefully I'm in the same class as you. Yeah.
Okay, class, we're gonna start on a new project. Half of it is part of your homework, and I'm going to put you in pairs. It's making a story up, but it has to have a little twist at the end. Okay, listen up, and I'm not changing partners. Alex and Hannah, Jay and Winter, Dylan and Chris, Michael and Lucy, Yuki and Michaela, Ryan and Dash, and last but least, Alice and Katie. Alright, get in your pairs and start working. Teach, Katie's not in today, so do I do the project on my own? Yes, you might have to start the project on your own. Okay.
I really didn't want to work with you, but you're not that bad. And, I mean, well, you're pretty smart, and so I'm gonna, leave the work up to you. I'm not doing all the work. You have to do some work. And I'm not sitting here listening to you talking to my sister while I'm just doing all the work by myself.
Jeez. Alright, I'll do some work. So, what do we have to do?
So, Winter, what do we do?
Whoa. What are you growling at?
Jay.
Oh. Well, I'm kind of jealous of Winter working with Jay. I really want them not to be together. Like partners?
No, a couple.
What? So he's going to dump me?
First of all, he's going to cheat on you with Winter, but that was his main plan.
Seriously? Well, you know what? I'm breaking up with Jay. After this lesson,
I'm going to throw a paper ball.
Ow. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Well, that didn't work.
So, what do we do, because I wasn't really listening? Well, we have to think of ideas for a story, so let's start with the themes.
Okay, so what stories do you like?
Horror and romance stories.
Okay.
What stories do you like?
Romance and tragedy romance that have horror in them.
Okay, let's do a horror, tragedy, romance story. So you want the themes to be romance, drama, and supernatural?
Yep.
Okay, I'll write that down.
So you want the main character to be a girl and have boys obsessed with her?
Pretty much, yep.
Okay.
You have 5 minutes. Hey Winter.
Yeah?
Do you wanna walk with me to social class?
Sure.
Hannah, you might have to break up with Jay after school.
Oh, okay. Well, of course I overheard that conversation, so yeah. Alright class, pack your things and get ready to go to your next lesson. Don't forget to plan your homework with your partners. Hey, Alex.
Hi.
Winter usually talks to you, but it looks like she left you for Jay. I mean, she usually talks to you in this lesson.
So?
Oh, anyway, I have something to tell you.
What is it?
Would you... Hi, I'm a new student here. I'm new to this, so what do you do in this class? You must be a new student. Alright. Okay, we have students here to socialize people, like autism people, people who are bullied, people who have depression or anxiety, and new students. Is there anyone you know here? Yeah, Alex. Well, go and talk to him. Hey.
Hi.
You must be Alex, right? Dylan's friend.
You must be the vampire trying to control Dylan's life away from Winter.
I'm not controlling Dylan. Me and him are going out now. So me and him are in a relationship, and I'm not keeping him away from Winter. He's keeping himself away from Winter. I don't know why. Oh. Hi, Alice. I didn't see you there.
You two know each other?
Yeah. You know, Alice, I don't think Alex is ever going to go out with you.
Wait, what?
Uh,
Is this true, Alice?
No. Liar. I'm not lying.
I don't really care if Alice is lying or not. It doesn't really matter.
I wonder if Renner is still alive. Stop, Megan. Stop what? Stop saying that name. Alex doesn't like it, and can you please leave us alone? Nah.
So is that what you like?
No, I just...
You just like it.
Stop it. Oh. If me and Dylan don't work out, would you go out with me, Alex?
No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Nice one. Oh my god, Megan, nice try. It's very hard to get with Alex. Believe me. He is the most cold-hearted guy in this school. Oh my god. So Alex, what do you know about the princess, aka Winter?
I know a lot more than you.
Oh my god. Really? I know she killed...
Don't you dare.
Oh, why?
I don't want Jay to hear it.
So Alex, what do you think about Jay and Winter being together?
Not a lot to say.
Oh, yeah. Oh, bell gone. See you two around, or maybe see you later. I hate her. She's so annoying. The only reason why we know each other because I ruined her life and now she's after mine. If she ever gets you, just tell her to bugger off.
Okay.
I know this is a bit too fast, but, would you go out with me? What? What? Yeah. Sure, I would go with you.
Yay. Well, we should head to lunch.
Yeah.
Winter, how can you have a relationship that fast?
Excuse me?
You told me the day when your mother died that you hated him. I mean, look at him. He just hit me out of nowhere. And you told me yourself you hated him. And how come so fast can you like him?
Maybe because I should have known him better than treating him like a stranger. That was just a thing that I said. It was just because I was mad. But I like him, and me and him are in a relationship. What's this all of a sudden?
What? That's not how a relationship works. Hating someone and then starting liking them after about, I don't know, a couple of days? Or like a day or two?
Dylan. Let's take your relationship example. Your lovely new girlfriend. Yeah, that's not how a relationship works. That's too fast. You two have been kissing, and like me and Jay, we haven't even kissed. And, well, at least we're asking questions to one another to know what we like, and yeah, that's how a proper relationship works. Yours doesn't do that. It just goes straight to kissing, and probably more than just kissing.
What? Excuse me. I don't go straight to the kissing. I try at least know the person.
Really, it totally didn't look like it when you were with Megan. God, you two were snocking out.
Why the hell are you being such a female dog to me?
Excuse me? I'm not being a female dog. I'm just telling you how a relationship works. You're just yelling at me like a mad dog, saying that's not how a relationship works. Why would you go out with him? God, you're such an idiot. You know, you can just stay somewhere else. Go back home. Take your things and leave. I don't want you in my house anymore.
Winter.
Hello?
Hello, sexy.